welcome back to my channel. For today I want to do a very luminous and glowy type of look, yet simple, with a lot of shimmer, a lot of glitter. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so we are gonna do like a very glowy type of look. I'm gonna be doing a very I guess focusing more on like my skin and making it look very soft, very glowy. So it's gonna be a simple look, yet very glowy. So sorry for my voice, I'm like getting sick and I'm fighting it. I do not want to be sick. I am going to be using this Cover FX blurring primer, which came in this month's BoxyCharm. So let's see how it works. Right under my eyes, because you know this part tends to crease up sometimes when we're applying concealer and then we set our makeup. And some of my forehead, I want that to really look blurred out, I guess. And we also want to get this part of our nose. It tends to get really red and bumpy sometimes, so that way we get like a nice soft effect. So let's see how it works once. Alright, I am going to be using the Frankie Rose foundation. Whoa. Just gonna apply it with my finger. I like to spread my foundation with my fingers. It just helps it be a little bit more smooth. I'm going to go ahead and buff that out. You have to work a little bit fast with this foundation. I feel like it kind of starts to get a little bit dry, and because it is like a matte foundation, I think. Yeah, it is a matte perfection foundation, so you have to work fast with it, otherwise it gets kind of dry, I guess you can say, and then it's just hard to move around the foundation if you take too long. Now I'm going to be applying this Make a Glow liquid highlighter from Wet n Wild. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, to my chin as well. Make it look nice and glowy, and then on the temples of my forehead, just for some extra glow. I'm using the LA Girl concealer. We are going to conceal a little bit, not too much. You know what, we can just go ahead and use the Anastasia stick foundations, and I'll go ahead and blend this out first. I'm going to go ahead and buff that out. I'm going to be using the same brush. Now I'm going gonna go ahead and set my makeup. I'm gonna be glowing and have like a luminous look, but I also want to stay matte. I don't want it to set my makeup. I'm gonna be using the setting powder from Too Faced. Make sure that you buff out everything again. Make sure that nothing is creasing before you apply the powder, and then just apply it like right away. Like don't even blink. Just like that. I'm also gonna set my eyelids. Actually, no, just like that. I'm gonna set my forehead. Just a little bit. I'm not applying like a lot. I'm not really gonna bake. And then we also want to go down the bridge of our nose. Set that as well. So if you guys can see the highlight peeking through, and I'm not even wearing like an actual highlight, that's just the liquid highlighter. I'm gonna go ahead and just dust that off already. I'm not really dusting a lot of it off. I'm kind of spreading it around. That way it keeps everything nice and matte. And now I'm gonna be adding this. Now I'm gonna be setting my makeup with the matte finishing with this matte setting spray from NYX. And I'm using this Per Cosmetics Sculpture palette. I'm taking a brush from BH Cosmetics in the number 4. I do feel, not too sure how I feel about that. Let's go ahead and give it a try. I'm gonna test that out onto my skin, just so that I don't apply it onto my face. It's a little bit dark, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply like a very small amount, but I'm gonna do on this side first. So that is very, very dark for me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna do my I'm gonna use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. So I tried out a very small amount, but it is too dark. So I'm gonna use my Chocolate Soleil. Look very, very bronze, so we're gonna keep applying that. Alright, so I'm gonna be using the highlight from I'm gonna be mixing both of them together. Wow, look at that. It looks amazing. Whoa, I love it. Alright, so this highlight is definitely popping. It doesn't have a lot of fallout. Okay, I am going more for a nice little nude type of lipstick. This one is what's the name? Oh, this one is Sandstone. I'm gonna be using NYX lip liner and Ever. I'm just going to be taking this color right here. I'm just going to use that as a transition.
watch you slip and you fall right in. Feeling like it's you who's been chosen. Only you can feed up your memories. Read it in the lines of the broken.
Taking this color right here, put it on my lid.
Read it in the lines of the broken. You got on a different ride, another side. You got me guessing. Can you turn back to the light? Leave it behind is all I'm asking. I keep chasing your shadow, but I will never know where we'll end up. I will follow where you go.
I'm gonna apply my highlight. Why? Because you know, and then it's just gonna be popping. That's all I care about. Just to be popping. Looks so beautiful. Now I'm gonna apply my eyelashes and I'm done. Alright guys, that is the final look for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It's a very luminous, glowy type of look. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up, guys. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. If you're new to my channel, hello. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. Also, go ahead and comment down below. And yeah, I really love the way this look turned out. This glow is just, this glow is insane. I'm literally glowing so much. I love it. I'm in love with this look. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.